Welcome to this YouTube tutorial on creating your very own WhatsApp robot. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of building a powerful WhatsApp bot from scratch and deploying it using a combination of popular cloud platforms: Heroku, Amazon Web Services, OVH, and Koyeb. With our WhatsApp robot, you have the power to revolutionize how your group interacts. Imagine being able to tag or mention multiple people in the group all at once, making it effortless to grab their attention, announce important updates, or initiate engaging discussions. But that's not all. Our bot will also have the ability to perform more advanced functions, such as kicking everyone from the group at once. Now, you might wonder why you'd want to do that. Well, it could be useful for quickly clearing the group during maintenance, creating a fresh start for a new topic, or managing group membership efficiently. Of course, these functionalities are just the tip of the iceberg. Our WhatsApp robot will be capable of handling automated responses, providing valuable information, and executing custom commands to cater to your specific needs. Worried about the technical aspects? Fear not. I'll guide you through the entire process, breaking down each functionality in a beginner-friendly manner, ensuring everyone can follow along and create their own WhatsApp bot with ease. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of WhatsApp automation with Heroku, Amazon Web Services, OVH, and Koyeb. Get ready to take your group messaging experience to a whole new level with your very own feature-rich WhatsApp robot. In this video, I will teach you how to create WhatsApp bot. Requirements for this tutorial: make sure you have GitHub and Heroku accounts, then a second device, either a phone or a computer, to scan the QR code from. I have included links in the description to register in GitHub and Heroku accounts if you don't have. Create the accounts, then log in both of them. Thereafter, open GitHub account. First step: scan the QR code. Click on Scan as seen in the setup procedure. Here, use the other device to scan. These are the steps we're gonna follow. Let's start by scanning. Launch WhatsApp application, go to Settings, then Link Devices. Allow and accept all the prompts that pop up. Thereafter, scan the QR code. After a successful link up, you will be sent session ID. Copy the session ID. After copying the session ID, go back to GitHub page where you were previously. And now click on Fork. If you don't have it, you can click on Create a new fork. In this case, I have already created, so now click on the username. Mine is Basher0706. After that, click on Deploy. Enter your username. Then, click on Deploy. Heroku page will be opened. Now fill the page as follows. Under app name, write any name that is available. scroll down and write the same name under app name. After that, scroll down again and paste the session ID you copied down the session ID field. Now scroll up. Let's find the Heroku API key. Click on your profile on top right corner. Hold on account settings for few seconds and a pop-up will appear. Now click on Open Incognito tab, scroll down and click on Reveal API key. Copy it and revert back to the previous Heroku page and paste the API key. After that, scroll down and click on Deploy App. Now wait for few minutes till it is successfully deployed. Follow each step in this video so that you don't mess up. After your app is successfully deployed, click on Manage App. Now click on Resources. That's second tab from left. Thereafter, click on pen-like icon. Then turn on Dino. And confirm. Click on More located on top right corner. Here, click on View Logs. Now wait for a few minutes to fully launch the application logs. After the logs are successfully completed, you will see Connected at the bottom, and that means your bot is now ready for use. Open WhatsApp and test it by .menu and see the menu it has. Now the menu contains many commands you can use to manage WhatsApp groups. That's it guys, remember to like and share the video. Subscribe if the video was helpful. Otherwise, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp robot using AWS as in for Amazon Web Services. First step, you should have an AWS account. If you do not have, create an AWS account. Also, you should have GitHub account. I will include link in the description box. Now after you are fully verified in AWS account, log in your account. In the main page, click on your profile on the top right corner. Then click on your AWS console. And wait for it to open. In the console, find and click EC2. EC2 can be found under Services, or if you can't see it, you can search it on the search bar just within the page. Then now click on Launch Instance. And then click Launch Instance. From here, give the name you wish to. Then select Ubuntu from Quick Start category. Scroll down and enter the key pair name you want. Any name can do. If you do not have key pair name, click on Create New Key Pair. On the pop-up page, enter the name you want. Thereafter, click on Create Key Pair and the file will be downloaded. Now click on Launch Instance. After the launch is successful, click on Connect Instance. From here, click on Connect. This will land you on EC2 Instance Connect page. From this page is where you will connect and install all apps responsible to run the bot. Now next step is go to GitHub account repository. I have included the link in the description box below. Now start copying the installations. Copy the first app and paste in the EC2 Instance Connect. After pasting, click on Enter on your keyboard for installations to be initiated. In case such pop-ups arise, just be pressing Enter on your keyboard to rectify and get rid of the pop-ups. Yes, such type of pop-ups, eliminate them by pressing Enter on your keyboard. Installation will continue running. Wait till it finish installing. As said earlier, whenever such pop-ups appears, click on Enter on your keyboard for the process to continue. Press Enter and continue. When the first installation is complete, go back to GitHub and copy the next app. And again paste it in EC2 Instance Connect and hit Enter for the installation to start. Continue copying and pasting all the apps as you install them till you finish. Now when you reach here, you can ignore the copy session ID part. Now in EC2 instance connect, press and hold on Ctrl+O keys to save, then hit enter. Thereafter, press and hold Ctrl+X keys to close the page. Now copy npm start and paste in EC2 instance connect and hit enter. This will now start the bot connection. After the connection is successful, a QR code will pop up. Now to make the bot connect to your WhatsApp account, you will have to link your WhatsApp. To do this, open WhatsApp in your phone. Then click on the three dots on top right corner and select Linked Devices. Now scan the QR code. After the QR code is scanned successfully, now the bot will be attached to your WhatsApp account. You can test it and see if it's working. You can type .menu to check which commands are available and use them where necessary and enjoy the most out of WhatsApp bot. WhatsApp robot have a lot of benefits, some of them being ability to respond to customers using AI technology, ability to give information of all members in the group in just one click, ability to add, kick or tag everyone in the group. You can also enable anti-link to avoid people who spam the group with links etc. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me cover any other topic, let me know in the comments section below. Otherwise ring that notification bell to get notified anytime I post new content. Cheers.
In this video, I am going to show you how to host an online app for just $1 using OVH Cloud. Specifically, we will be creating a WhatsApp bot, which you can be used to automate your messaging and improve your productivity. So if you are interested in creating your own bot and learning more about OVH Cloud hosting services, stick up to the end to avoid missing critical steps. As you can see, I'm on OVH Cloud's site. I'll be including all the links you need in the description box below. First things first, you'll need to register for an account with OVH, if you haven't already done so. Remember, the $1 offer can end at any time, so I highly recommend you grab it quickly to take advantage of it. Creating an account with OVH is a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts and complete the necessary details. Once you've registered, you'll receive a verification email to the address you provided during the registration process. To make sure everything runs smoothly, be sure to use your original credit card with the $1 balance. Verification usually takes less than 30 minutes, but can take up to 24 hours. Once you've been verified, you'll receive login details which you'll use to access any VPS and host your app. The next step is to download an application to remotely connect to our bot. In my case, I'm currently using a Windows machine, so I'll be using the PuTTY software. If you're using a mobile phone, you should download the Juice SSH client application from the Play Store. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to connect using the SSH mobile app, I'll also include the link in the comments section below. However, the connection process is the same, and you can follow along on your mobile phone using the SSH app. Once you've downloaded and installed the necessary application, you can launch the PuTTY software and begin the setup process. After paying the $0.97, you will be provided with login credentials by the OVH team via mail. One of the credentials is the address which you should enter on this pop-up window. Fill in the address, and then click on the load button to open the software. Once the PuTTY software is open, you will be directed to an interface that looks similar to the one shown. On this interface, enter the VPS name you did choose during the OVH registration process to establish connection. For instance, if you chose to use Ubuntu, type in Ubuntu then press enter and input the password that was provided to you by the OVH team via mail still. Please note that while typing your password, the characters will not be visible on the screen due to security measures. Once you have entered the correct password, input this command line via in https www.levanter.ml install and chmodx install. Install. I have included it in the description box. Copy paste it and click enter to execute the command. Once the command has been executed, next line you will be asked if you have session ID. If you already have a session ID, type Y for yes. Otherwise, type N for no. In this case I will type Y for yes. After typing Y, click enter. The next line will ask you to enter the session ID. Now to get session ID, open your WhatsApp and scan the QR code. The link to the QR code is in the description box. Please note that you will need two devices to complete this process, one to scan the QR code and the other to be used for the session ID. You can see the session ID has been generated. The one starting with 19 in my case. Yours of course will be a different one. Once you have scanned the QR code and generated a session ID, go back to the PID software, enter the session ID, and press enter. After pressing enter, another line will be generated asking you to provide the name you wish to call the bot. I'll call it my name, Carlos. You can call yours any name of your thought. Now click on enter. Bot creation process will start. It can take several seconds to minutes depending on the speed of machine you are using. So wait until the process is finished. After it's done, go to your WhatsApp and test the features of the bot. As you can see, it is working smooth and fast just like premium ones. In case you do not know how to use the bot, I made a video on top features of the bot. In case you have not watched it, check the link in the description box section below to help you learn how to use WhatsApp bot. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it informative and valuable. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and commenting below. Your feedback is essential since it helps improve the quality of my content. For more insightful videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when I post new videos. Additionally, feel free to share this video with anyone who you believe will benefit from the information. I appreciate your time and support. I will see you in the next one.
Follow the steps keenly. First, create Koyeb account. To create the account, click on Koyeb Sign Up. I have included link to this repository in the description box below. If you have Koyeb account already, you can just log in, but in case you don't have, you need to sign up. On sign up page, type your name. Thereafter your mail. Then enter password of your choice. When you finish, now click on sign up with email. Verification mail will be sent in the mail you provided. To verify the Koyeb account, open your mail. Then click on Verify. Your account will be verified. Thereafter, you can have a look at the Koyeb account you just created to get used to the interface. This is a simple interface that will enable the making of the WhatsApp robot. Now next step is to get database URL. Database URL is essential since it's the one that is necessary for deployment of the bot to take place. To get URL database, you need to create either render account in render.com or create railway account on railway.app. Here, decision solely lies on you since both produces same results. In my case, I will pick render.com. So in case you want to follow along with me and you do not have account in Render, then click on create an account and register for a new account. Registering in Render does not require many steps, just enter your mail and password of your wish. Thereafter, click on Complete Sign Up. A verification mail will be sent on the mail you provided, so open your mail and verify it. To verify, just click on the link sent in the mail and your account will be verified. Now after the mail has been confirmed, you will now have Render account that will be used later. Now go back. This step was to enable us to get the database URL. Now, to get the URL, just go to render.com. First, enter name. Name can be any name you can think of. After that, scroll down and click on Create Database. After creating database, scroll down and find the external database URL which we are interested in and copy it. Now next step is to scan the QR code in WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp. Then find linked devices. Now click on link device. You should be having another device to scan from. It may be another phone or a laptop. Logging depends on internet stability and or amount of data loaded in WhatsApp, so be patient as it scans. When the scan is done, you will be sent session ID on WhatsApp. Take note, session ID is very important because without it the bot cannot run. Now let's continue with the steps. Now at step 4, click on Deploy Now. If you experience this error, then do the following. Click on the Back Home button. Now from here, click on Deploy on the button that is under Deploy an existing project. On the next page, click on Docker. Under Image tab, write the following. Make sure you write exactly as it appears. Now next under tag, write there beta. Then click next. Now on regions, you can select any country. I will go with the first one. Now scroll down and hit that deploy button. If you are not logged in Koyeb account, you'll be prompted to log in. After successfully logging in, now enable desktop mode by clicking on the 3 dots found at the top right corner and enable the desktop site mode. Now while on this page, find and click on Runtime Logs. The logs will start populating. Wait until the last login killed. Now after that, scroll up and click on Settings. From here, we need to add environmental variables. These are responsible for creating commands that you will be using on WhatsApp. To add variables, just click on Add Variable. Note, Session ID is mandatory. So let's start with Session ID. Write the word Session ID under the key, then go to WhatsApp and copy the Session ID you were sent after scanning the QR code. After copying the Session ID, paste it under Value. Click again on Add Variable, this time round, add database URL, write the word database under the key, then now go to render.com and copy the external database URL I told you before. And paste it under value. Now you can add other variables you wish to use as commands on WhatsApp. There are many variables listed here, just pick the ones that are suitable for you. Each variable executes different commands. For better experience, just add all the variables. But to make the video as short as possible, I will not add all the variables. Now after you are done adding the variables, scroll down and click on Update Service. Now on this page, you will see deployment is starting. Wait for some minutes till it starts. Now to confirm if the bot started working, just head over where you will send the session ID on WhatsApp. Then try type .menu and see if you will be provided with the bot menu. When you see the bot menu, it means the bot is now working. As you can see, it's working fine. Now, you can explore the features of the bot. It got wide category of features which I think if I start talking of them now, it will take a lot of time. I prefer you go through them yourself and learn. Meanwhile, thank you for watching. If the video was helpful, make sure you hit that like button as well as subscribe to the channel.